The ZESTRON coating layer test is a chemical quick test for a localized detection of defects in a protective coating layer on electronic assemblies. The test procedure is simple, fast, and requires little space. The case contains the indicator bottle, gloves, a timer, a DI water bottle, and an application and interpretation instruction. You can apply the test on PCBAs with all common coating types, such as conformal coatings, parylene, and coatings based on perfluoro compounds. First, apply the ZESTRON coating layer test indicator selectively, or better, over a large area of the coated PCBA. Please wear protective gloves, goggles, and laboratory coat as usual. Now, allow the indicator to react for up to 3 minutes. You can use the timer for support. The next step is the optical inspection. For this, it is recommended to use a magnification within 5 to 20 times. By a black colorization, the ZESTRON coating layer test visualizes defects in protective coatings or non-closed layers in so-called microcoatings. Here you can see a reaction at the connectors of a QFP. The high intensity and size of defect are indicating an extensive coating defect. On the left-hand side, you can see an example of smaller coating defects due to flux residues on a connection pad of a ceramic capacitor. The connection pad on the right-hand side shows an extensive coating defect indicated by a color reaction. Typical defects which can occur during the coating process are a missing edge covering on solder joints and connector contacts, or pore channels in coating pooling areas. Coating defects can, for example, cause corrosion or impair the insulation of the conductors against the environment. As the final step, dab off the assembly with a paper cloth. Alternatively, you can rinse with DI water over a laboratory dish and dry with water and oil-free compressed air. The ZESTRON coating layer test is quick, easy, and cost-effective. It provides accurate results even with thin layers, more precise than inspection using black light or UV light. It also reveals coating defects and missing edge covering. Do you have questions about using the coating layer test? Click here. ZESTRON. Reliability is our driver.